Roof Plus, Gainesville, Florida. Series 1. Here's a quick look at a hallway. And got a white LED call station. Just because I'm curious. 4R is locked. So are all the other rear floors, as you would expect. Here's your inspection certificate. Emergency phone. We're just gonna take one ride since I have seen some security guards around here and there is only one elevator. And that'll be it.